father who in tan fat material, oil paint, size 60 by 80 centimeters preface to the work. We wander by the day. According to the wildlife bringing the soul to four directions, we roam like the wind, like the clouds, go find and forget this delusion. I wandered on the deserted hill, through the deep forest for the soul out of sorrow, no more memory, no more love. How old people forget the old oath, no more memory, no more love. The old love is too humiliating. Alone a shadow. My life alone a shadow, a disturbed species. The ball who still goes, and then one day, then someday nobody called me, anyone met me. I went idle by the rocky rapids. Along the young flank, wild horse feet make steps, we roam by the stream, following the deer, go find and forget this delusion. We wander to forget the days of the world, forget the mistress has forgotten herself a morning in the winter, on a soft mattress of yellowing leaves, no more memory. No more love, I lay still dead on the road.